Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a new fragrance. It is called Sea Salt and Orchid, and oh my goodness, smells amazing. Cannot wait to do this in candles. It smells great in the soap. I think even bath bombs, sugar scrubs would be great. Oh my gosh, smells so good. So it's kind of, I guess the notes are jasmine, lily of the valley, and tonka bean, and then ozonic notes of sea salt. I know there's always like a lot of fragrances that say ozone, and I don't even know how to explain how to describe it other than it's like fresh and maybe a little bit oceany. But I'm just not doing like a really good job of explaining it, but it just smells so good. I think there's a lot of year-round appeal for this fragrance, definitely not seasonal by any means. So it smells great. And the nice thing with this fragrance is there was no ricing, no acceleration. So it did fantastic. I was not sure what to do for the design. So I just thought, since it's a 2-pound test batch, I would just do kind of 2 shades of purple and then, hey, sea salt and orchid. If you got it, if you can't throw some sea salt on top of it. So anyway, without being cheesy. So what I did was I took the Magic Purple Mica from BeScented, and then I added just a little bit of TD to it. So I've kind of got 2 different shades. So I've got a darker shade and a lighter shade, and I just always like doing that kind of color scheme. I feel like the colors play off of each other. And I'm gonna throw some sea salt on top of it. So good news was this fragrance did great, did not accelerate. You can see I'm still kind of trying to blend it to get a little bit going, just so it's not too liquidy to pour. The 2-pound batches, I always struggle with design because I feel like it's not I'm used to, at least a 5-pound batch. So I feel like the 2-pound batches, I just struggle with design and, how much to make and all of that. But anyway, does fantastic, smells so good. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this and I'll bring you back to the cut. All right, and we're back. And don't mind me kind of cleaning up the wire cutter. Been cutting a lot of test batches today. And I really like the design. I like how the lighter pale purple kind of plays off the deeper purple. Really happy with this little bit of swirl. So for a little 2 pound batch, I'm very happy. And got my little sea salts on the top. So all in all, excited for this one. I hope it makes through the cure for soap. But if not, might be convincing BeScented to get it for candles. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great day.